Hi everyone! Today we'll show you cool balloon hacks. And maybe a prank. I am making a surprise for my sister, but I can't find a ribbon. I'll have to find some. I am making a surprise for my sister! Do you know where the ribbons are? No, sorry. Oh, okay. I saw this ring the other day and thought my sister would love it. So I am making her a confetti balloon present. Fun, right? I put the ring inside a see-through balloon. Then add some confetti to hide the ring. Now blow up the balloon and voila! I think she will really like it. Hi Mike, do you know where the ribbons are? Ribbons? How about using long balloons? These long balloons are really stretchy. I'm sure you can use it as a ribbon. You know, that just might work. I got my balloon ribbons. Now for my sister's present. I'm making an anti-stress ball using a balloon and toothpaste. Pour the toothpaste into the balloon. Now close the balloon, and you're finished. Squeezing the anti-stress ball will help you relax. Cool, right? Sometimes screws break or get dull. Whatever you do, you just can't get them out of the wall or a fence. You know, I almost forgot. If you use the balloon on a dull screw, you just might get it loose. Look, it worked! It's finally time to try out my balloon ribbons. The balloons are so stretchy that they easily go around my present. Let's add a balloon flower. All done! What do you think? Hi Mike! Look, I was going to put our drinks in the cooler, but we are out of ice. It's all good. I think I know a hack for that. We can use balloons. Yeah, great idea! We just fill our balloons with water and pop them into the freezer for a while. So did the balloon ice work? It sure did. Now our drinks are ice cold. My sister is coming. Quick, hide my present. I got you a present. For me? Why, thank you. Open it. What a cool idea for a ribbon. Wow, an anti-stress ball. Thank you so much. And I have a surprise present for you too. For me? Why, thank you. Aw, how adorable. Thank you so much. Why don't we go for a drive? Sure! I'm feeling a little sleepy. Look, she is asleep. Hey, do you want to play a balloon prank on her? Hey! You guys! So what's your favorite balloon hack? Let us know in the comments. Today the weather is nice out, so how about playing sports with my little sister? What do you think of a badminton game? Well, of course she always finds a reason not to play sports, but this time I planned it ahead. I bought us new clothes for the occasion, so no excuse. Not bad, huh? No? It's true that it lacks a little sparkle. Oh, wait, we could customize them. Yeah, super, let's go. Okay, let's start by putting a little color. To draw a perfect circle, nothing better than a round jar and a textile marker pen, or a permanent marker. I think I'll go with a pretty heart. Start by finding the center and draw the shape of your choice, making sure that it is as symmetrical as possible. To add a touch of color, you can also use fabric paint. Wow! Now a little purple. For a more noticeable effect, choose contrasting colors. To decorate my heart, I chose a pretty bright pink. And for the second half, I used blue first. The idea is to create a fun and original pattern. Again, it is good to alternate the colors for more contrast. I wonder which of us will create the most beautiful set of clothes. I'm sure the choice won't be easy to make. My sister has a lot of taste. I'm sure she'll put a little color everywhere. I think it's pretty colorful like that. Let's work on the collar. To remove it, you can simply reverse the t-shirt and cut it by following the seam. Once done, I widen the opening by pulling a little on the fabric. I will also remove the sleeves in the same way. The t-shirt will surely look a lot different. Once the paint dries, you can create a fringe at the bottom of the t-shirt. To do this, simply cut long and short slices by spacing them by about 1 centimeter. Then do the same in the back. Great! Finally, you just have to pull on each fringe to give it the desired bohemian look. Shoulders now. I first make small holes on each side of the seam. I do 12 on each shoulder. I then take a nice ribbon and I insert it into the eyelets starting from above near the collar. I cross it below and I make it come out in the second holes. Then I add a little touch of fantasy with these beautiful colored beads. I first choose a pink pearl that I put in the 2 ends of my ribbon. Then I repeat with a blue pearl and finally a purple one. I then insert my ribbons under before ending with a pretty bow on top. Wow! It is really nice. I only have the back left. For the shoulders, you can also make some openings if you prefer not to remove the sleeves. That's it, nothing's easier. After folding the t-shirts in 2, I make cuts from top to bottom, going from the widest to the narrowest. I then stretch the strips of fabric so that the fabric does not fray. Watch closely as I show you my technique on how to finish it up. I take the first strip and I pass the second one under the third in the second, and so on until you reach the bottom. It's easy, and it looks awesome. To finish it up, I decide to shorten the t-shirt a bit by removing a slice at the bottom. That's it! It's time for the caps now. Choose a ribbon that matches the colors of your t-shirt. Use hot glue to apply it all around, on the edge. Add appliques that work well with your t-shirt to create your perfect look. I'm going to use felts to decorate underneath of my cap. You can use the same colors to reproduce the patterns you have drawn on your t-shirt. Wow! I'm sure my cap will be totally original. I only have the top left. Once you have applied all your decorations, your cap is ready. Or almost. Do you also like color? Don't forget to protect the other sections before adding paint. A little heart here. And a few lines there. Ta-damn! What do you think? Do you like it? I can't wait to see what my sister did with hers. It's time! Let's go! Oh, wow! A complete metamorphosis. I knew it would be colorful. I love the flower and the fringes. It is really beautiful. Hey, do you like what I did in the back? And on my shoulders, look how cute! I drew this heart here and on my cap. I made another one right there. Let's go, now it's time to play. And hop! Awesome! Batman isn't all that bad. What do you think, little sister? And you? Which set of clothes do you prefer? Write us a comment. See you soon! Bye!